So this first individual is struggling with being very, very skinny in their arms, and they describe it as having twigs. My arms are like twigs. My hand is literally skin and bone, but my face and neck carry so much fat for some reason. I know this is genetics, but what I'm wondering in this scenario, should I bulk or cut? Okay, so this is a really, really good point because we can discuss spot reducing fat. So a lot of times people, when you talk about spot reducing fat, they're trying to spot reduce belly fat, as in they have some fat on their belly and they're trying to get rid of it. The thing about this, whether it's belly fat or fat around your neck, is that you can't actually target fat specifically from those areas. And like they mentioned, genetically, we all carry fat in different places. For myself, I carry a little bit around my belly, but I also have a decent amount of fat in my lower back, actually. I hold a pretty good chunk of that. My legs are virtually like lean. They're basically shredded though. And I know for some people, it's the complete opposite. So for this exact scenario, for this individual, it would be a good idea, probably, especially since I'm guessing they're just starting out, to just work out, period, eat enough that feels good for you, and see what happens to your body. Don't really worry about bulking or cutting. Just start going into the gym, going through the motions, and then with time, your body's going to start losing a little bit of weight or gaining a little bit of weight. And whatever happens, you'll either like it or not like it. And then from there, you can decide then, okay, I'm gaining weight and I don't like how I look, so I'm going to now start to cut. Or maybe you'll actually start gaining weight and you're gonna gain some muscle, you're gonna be feeling better, and you're gonna be feeling more confident, so you might just keep gaining muscle. It kind of depends on every individual and their specific goals, but for this specific individual, that is what I would go for. So go ahead, drop a like.